Wade. Wade's Unboxing. I have a new unboxing here today, and it's going to be a product from Anker, A-N-K-E-R, Anker. It is the PowerCore Speed 10,000 Quick Charge. The product number, not sure if you can see it, but it is X0016C VZ0V. Again, it is the Anker, America's leading USB charging brand, and nothing on the other side, nothing on the side, just the back and the front. And it is the, as I said, the PowerCore Speed 10,000 Quick Charge 3.0. So let me get a knife here, and we will open the product up. It just has a plastic outer shell, and the box itself opens from the bottom, and you can see we have, let me see what we have here. We have product, card, and you pull this little center out. It's another little box, just called accessories. Nothing on the back and side. Let's open up this first. See what we have. Oh, sorry about that. Let's see what we have. We have two products, empty box now. And what we have first is the USB to micro USB cable that comes with the product. Let's open it up. It's probably what, 2 feet? 2 feet in length, 24 inches. And we have a mesh bag for storage. And it has the brand name on the side, Anker. And it is it's thicker than a normal mesh bag. It's almost like it's 2-ply. And it feels funny-ish. It's a little different texture than most bags you've seen in the past. So then first we have our welcome guide to the PowerCore Speed 10,000 QC. Let's have a quick look at it. You have French side, I believe, English side. So basically explained the product, using your PowerCore, charging your phone or tablet, recharging your PowerCore, and then what lights mean. So we're not going to go into too much detail with that. As you can see, you could do, looks like multiple stuff, different flashing rates for different percentage on it. And you have a happy little card here. We're just happy that you're happy. If you don't know how to express your newfound joy, we have a few suggestions. Tell a friend, family, share, and connect on Facebook, Twitter, and Google+. So, just a little card. And then, let's see what we have in the final product here, which is the unit itself. We'll open it up. And it has on the top here, quick charge. Does it say quick charge? It's hard to see. Qualicom quick charge 3.0. The back has the normal product info and stuff like that. Has embedded Anker on the top, I'll say. And then on the front here you have your input, and doesn't say if that's output, but again you'll have to I will check the book for information. And you can see the lights there. So let's just see if we can do a quick connect to something here and see if we can get some lights lit up. So I just plugged it into something that was closed and attach it, and I'm not sure if you can see it, but the lights are blinking. So one light out of the 4 is on steady, 1 is blinking, and then 2 are not even on. And according to the booklet, as they fill up, it means they're the charge percentage, and one light would be 25%, and all 4 lights would be 100%. So it is charging. So we can just leave that charge, and that's pretty much it. So you charge it with the micro, and you flip that around to go from the USB to the micro connection for your phone or tablet or anything else that you want to charge. And again, this is the Anker PowerCore Speed 10,000 Quick Charge 3.0. And they do make another model. Let me just get something that you can compare to the size here per se. They make the same. This is a business card. You can see it is just slightly larger than a business card, and the thickness is, you know, a nickel size, I would say. They do make the same size, a little bit smaller. 10,000 milliamp battery, but this one has the quick charge and smart charge in it, I believe. Smart charge, which it's supposed to reduce the potential for overheating. So this is why I went with this model. Okay, it's Wade's Unboxings. Don't forget to like and subscribe.